Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw in Playtime without KYC. So let's start. It's not possible to withdraw money with the KYC. So you need it. Why is required now? Because you need security and compliance. Playtime and similar platforms have implemented mandatory identity verification to comply with any anti-money and laundering laws. So account functionally verified users face significant restrictions, including the inability to make withdrawals. Avoiding scams. Be cautious of apps that promise large sums of money for simple tasks like playing games or watching videos, as many are scams that never intend to pay users. So what can you do? It's complete the KYC. The only legitimate way to withdraw your earnings is complete the identity verification process and trouble short-term verification issues. If you're experiencing technical issues, the key process example, the camera not working, users suggest ensuring stable internet, refreshing the app, or contacting their support via email. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.